really sad to hear and know about the incident that took place today outside the Secretariat, where teachers and their families were protesting. And I feel that the government should have behaved or acted in a more humane manner in dealing with such situations, especially where the families of the teachers were also present. This action of the government is deplorable, to say the least, and my heart goes out to the families of the teachers, their children who had to go through this trauma of having been tear gassed by the police for a cause that was totally called for in their favor. So I would like to see that such actions in future do not occur, irrespective of the situation that is created.